Hello. In this video I'm going to show you the basics of Power Query so that you understand how it works in relation to the data that you import into your Power BI file. So in this case I've got three branches of A, B, and C. That's not very descriptive and I want to change that. My source system, it's a CSV file, but that might not always be the case. So I want to manipulate it inside of Power BI. So in this case I'm going to hit Edit Query. I'm going to come in. This is my Power Query editor. If you have multiple files, you'll see different queries down here. And you can step through. So this is my original source. You can see I don't have a column yet. Power Query, when I imported the data, went ahead and said, oh, these are the headers. Here's my branch. It's now a header. And then it tries to figure out what type the data is and does that for you as well. So now that I've got my branches, I actually just want to do a quick transformation. And I just want to replace values. So A, I want to be Houston. I'm going to hit OK on that. C is going to be San Antonio. Change that. And finally, B is going to become Dallas. Other options you can use if you need to. Imagine. So it's very similar to Excel to get the information that you want. Hit OK on that. Now everything's been modified. And when I click Close and Apply, what's actually going to happen is all of those changes are now part of this Power BI script loaded into the data set. So you can see my branches have now changed from A, B, and C to what I've housed here. And every time I re-import that file, the A, B, and C logic will be applied. So if you haven't looked at Power Query, please do so. There's a lot of great stuff out there.